This is the first head of cabbage. The cabbage made its own water. If you can't see that, I don't know if you can, but the seasoning is already in here with a little fat back cut into strips like bacon, and that's just the second head of cabbage. Let the first head boil down some. And let it cook. That's all you do. Let it do what it do. Okay. Cabbage is ready. I noticed the film that you did not see me put in any seasoning. Well, only thing I put in here is garlic powder, paprika, parsley, all-purpose seasoning, Valerie salt, the Valerie seasoned salt, and the Valerie garlic salt, and a scoop of sugar. There was butter in here also, and some fat back cut in little strips like this. Let me show it to you. You can use bacon, but if you don't have any meat, that's what the butter is for. If you don't want any meat in it. And just let your greens cook down like that, and they'll shrink and be cooked tender. This is Val, but this is how you do it. Talk to all you beautiful people later. Bye-bye now.